This is a used Howo 6x4 concrete mixer made for our customer from Guyana. This truck is a 10 cubic meter 3x4 mixer with 371 horsepower. During the refurbishment, we changed the new cap and new tires for our customer. Moreover, he upgraded our advanced refurbishment. So we changed many parts of the truck, and we did a full check and maintenance for him before the mixer left our factory. Now, the mixer is on the way to Georgetown. The estimated time of arrival is early June. Hope our customer will be satisfied with our trucks. If you also like our trucks, please contact us as soon as possible.
Oi, dun 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 dun. Oh, dun 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 dun.